Want a stronger, more defined upper body but don't know where to start? Whether you're looking to build muscle, improve posture, or just feel more confident, today's lesson from Mr. Class will show you exactly how to grow your upper body step by step. We'll break down the key muscle groups, the best beginner-friendly exercises, how to structure your workouts, and even what to eat to support muscle growth. So let's get into it. Part 1. What does the upper body include? First things first, what exactly are we talking about when we say upper body? Your upper body includes your chest, back, shoulders, and arms, more specifically your biceps and triceps. Each of these muscle groups plays a different role. Your chest helps you push, your back helps you pull, your shoulders stabilize your arms, and your biceps and triceps assist with most movements. To grow your upper body, you will need to train all these areas. That's right, this means not just your biceps. Part 2. The key to muscle growth. Progressive overload. Here's the secret to building muscle. It's called progressive overload. That means you gradually make your workouts harder by lifting heavier weights, doing more reps, or adding more sets over time. Your body responds by getting stronger and building more muscle. If you keep doing the same workout over and over without increasing the challenge, your results will eventually stop. So don't be afraid to push yourself, but do it safely and gradually. Part 3. Best upper body exercises. No gym needed. You don't need a gym full of machines to get results. Here are some of the most effective bodyweight and beginner-friendly exercises for each upper body muscle group. Chest. Push-ups are the classic chest builder. Start with knee push-ups if full ones are too hard. If you do have access to weights and a bench, then try doing bench press. Back. If you have a pull-up bar, pull-ups or chin-ups are amazing. If not, try bent over rows, which can be done with weights, water bottles, or resistant bands. Shoulders. Arm circles, shoulder presses with dumbbells or cans, and pike push-ups all target your deltoid muscles. Biceps. Try curls with dumbbells, household items, or resistant bands. Even chin-ups work your biceps too. Triceps. Do tricep dips off a sturdy chair or close grip push-ups. These will make your arms stronger and more defined. Part 4. How to structure an upper body workout. Let's say you want to train upper body twice a week. Here's how a basic workout might look like. First, start with a warm-up. Arm swings, shoulder rolls, and 5 minutes of light movement. Then, pick 1 to 2 exercises per muscle group. For example, do push-ups for chest, dumbbell rows for your back, shoulder presses for your shoulders, bicep curls for your bicep muscles, and tricep dips for your triceps. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for each exercise. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between sets. And always finish with a cool down. Do this by stretching your chest, shoulders, and arms to help your muscles recover. Part 5. Rest, recovery, and frequency. Your muscles don't grow while you're working out. They grow while you rest. That's why recovery is just as important as training. Don't train the same muscle group every day. Aim to work your upper body 2 to 3 times a week, giving each muscle group at least 48 hours to recover. Also, make sure you're getting enough sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night. And try to manage stress. It all affects your ability to build muscle. Part 6. Nutrition for muscle growth. To grow your upper body, your body needs fuel, especially protein. Protein helps rebuild and grow your muscles after training. Try to include protein in every meal. Good sources include chicken, eggs, tofu, beans, lentils, yogurt, and fish. You'll also need carbohydrates for energy, things like rice, oats, fruit, and whole grains. And don't forget healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. And of course, drink water. Staying hydrated helps your body perform and recover better. Part 7. Tracking progress. Muscles don't grow overnight. That's why it's important to track your progress, not just on the scale, but with photos, measurements, and how much stronger you feel. Keep a simple log of what exercises you did, how many reps, and how much weight you used. Seeing yourself improve over time is super motivating and helps you stay on track. Part 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's talk about a few common mistakes beginners make. Number 1. Doing only arm exercises and forgetting the chest, shoulders, and back. You gotta go for all-around strength. 2. Skipping rest days, which actually slows your progress. Recovery is critical. Number 3. Using bad form, which can lead to injury. Make sure to focus on quality over quantity. Finally, number 4. Expecting instant results. Remember that building muscle takes time, consistency, and patience. But eventually, you will see that it's worth it. A few final words. Building a strong upper body isn't just about looks. It's about improving your strength, your posture, and your confidence. Start small, stay consistent, and keep challenging yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beginner-friendly guides. And if you got questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, Mr. Class. I'm gonna go pump some iron now. I'll see you in the next video.